Okay, Leah, what do you hope to see on the nature world? Okay, what about you, Rosie? Leaf falling down? Okay, what about Abram?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Okay, what about you, Emmanuel? Ant. Okay. Work, right? So, what do you expect to see in the park, Lulun?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. What about Mang Mang? Ant. Matan, what do you expect to see in the park?
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. Okay. Wait.
Yes, miss.
Do you think all the leaves will be green in color?
No.
Why?
Will be orange or black or brown.
Okay.
Are you all excited to go to the park?